Hi and welcome to Caesar Park Kending, a family-friendly beach resort at the southern tip of Taiwan. The hotel is celebrating its 40th anniversary and it was advertised as a tropical paradise. We spent 2 nights here and it is an ideal destination for those seeking an escape from Taiwan's bustling city life. Come take a look with me and see if this is a place you would want to stay. Our family of 4 comfortably stayed in their deluxe guest room. The room measures 40 square meters and provide ample space, particularly with the 2 queen beds, which were firm yet surprisingly comfortable. The room's dim lighting complemented its overall ambiance. The spacious bathroom featured an open layout including a bathtub positioned centrally. It was equipped with total amenities such as a shower with excellent pressure and a smart toilet. A safe, coffee maker, complimentary beverages and snacks, as well as hotel slippers were provided in the room. While the view was not particularly captivating, it offered a tranquil and serene atmosphere. The smart robot housekeeper efficiently delivered small items to the room. It was both cute and timely. Each floor also had self-service coin laundry available at a cost of only 100 new Taiwan dollars per load, an absolute deal. The lobby area has a pleasant cafe with plenty of seating and natural light, serving beverages and light snacks. The garden area outside led to a spacious pool area. The water temperature was suitable and our children enjoyed their time in the pool. While seating was available, much of it was under the sun and comprised of hot, scorching wooden loungers, a very questionable choice. The resort is conveniently located across the street from the beach and features its exclusive private area, complete with umbrellas and loungers. The sand is soft and the view is picturesque. Complimentary self-parking is available, including several Tesla charging stations. Breakfast buffet was included and offered a diverse selection of Asian and Western dishes. The food was fresh and the service was prompt. However, the restaurant experienced high traffic, so it is advisable to arrive early. Caesar Park Kending provides a memorable experience for families seeking a tropical getaway in Taiwan. Kending is an ideal destination for water and beach activities, and Caesar Park is definitely a good option when you are here. What do you think? Thanks for watching.